I'm going to show you how you can earn some passive income on Luno. And so I'm just gonna go straight to my Luno. So there is this new coin that is available on Luno right now. It's called USD coin, which is this one here. So it's a stable coin, so that means it's not fluctuating up and down mostly than the other coins like Litecoin, like Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum, and Bitcoin right there. So it's a stable coin, so it's usually just it's not going to go up and down as usual than the others. So if you want to invest on something, this coin is probably the best one to do that, so that you can earn some passive income on it. So what I'm going to show you on how to open the wallet where you can be able to earn that passive income, right? So we're going to go click right here. It says earn interest on your crypto. We go straight to that. So we're going to open up a wallet. So these wallets, you get to earn some interest on them. So on Bitcoin saving wallet, you earn about 4% interest. Even on Ethereum, you earn the same. But on this USD saving wallet, it's 7.6% interest, guys, which is really cool. So I am going to try to save on this one. So firstly, we have to open this wallet. So I'm going to do that. So you have to read up on all of these, all right? So that you can get onto it, but I'm just going to pass it through so that you can solve, because I did do this before. So I'm just trying to show it to you guys so that you can actually understand it. So without wasting any more time, I'm just gonna go straight to it. Let's go next. How you earn interest. So you read all of this, but I think this one is very important for me to actually read it for you. So it says here, when you transfer USD coin into your USD saving wallet, it is then lent to our trusted lending partners who enters into individual loans with third parties. There is some risk which you should understand. So please familiarize yourself with our USDC saving wallet terms and conditions. So that's why I'm saying you should go and read the terms and conditions so that you can actually understand what is really going on, so that you won't say somebody stole your money or anything like that. But this is very, very, very profitable. But I should say I am no financial advisor. What I'm saying here is only what I think. So whatever happens to your money, you are the one who's going to take on the responsibility on what happens to it. So I'm only showing what I do, because I'm no financial advisor. My videos are only for entertainment. You take it as you want, So interest varies depending on market conditions. So the interest rates changes over time. So you will have to keep up with the news and what's up and what's new. So let's get going. You are in control. You actually this is very important. While your USDC saving wallet is for long-term investing, you can transfer your USDC coin out at any time at no charges. So that's really important, because if you go to invest on some banks, they will tell you have to invest this for a certain amount of time. So this money, you can't touch it, you can't do anything with it. It has to be staying there, so they can just use whatever they want with your money. But with this one, you can take it out at any time you want, That's a very, very good way to invest. Like I'm saying, man. So the transfer out of your USDC coin wallet is usually instant, but can take up to 7 business days. So you must understand that it can take up about 7 days when you take it out, and so that's a little bit part of it. But I'm sure you can understand, because if the bank was not going to give you that money, you will put it at the end of the month, at the start of the year, and then you will get it at the end of the year. But this one only just 7 days. It's usually quicker than that, but that's the only way they say is just take about 7 days, and you will first have to agree to the savings wallet terms, and then transfer your USDC coin in to start earning interest, right? So we'll say next. So you have to read the terms and conditions, and then you will have to check that box there, and then you go in, and then you go and do the and you start do your saving and there. So as for now, I am not going to do this for now, but I am going to show you when I am starting to save on this. So you have to look out for that video. It's going to come after this one as quickly as possible. So make sure you subscribe on the channel so that you don't miss any videos that are going to come out after this one, guys. So please like this video and share it with your friends so that they can be able to see what we do on this channel, so that they don't miss out on this great info, guys. So if you really like this video, please like it and share it so that we can grow together, guys. Please support this channel. I would really do appreciate it. And that's it for this one, guys. So please, man, like and share. See you on the next one. Ciao.